Hello friends, we have discussed about the demand situations in last session. Now, in this session, we are going to discuss about the demand patterns. The study of the status of demand and its behavior in relation to a service is important for marketers to take appropriate strategic decisions. The demand may fluctuate between below the capacity level to above the capacity. These patterns of demand fluctuation need to be analyzed carefully to identify demand behavior. A proper understanding of demand patterns enables marketers to handle demand problems effectively through advanced planning and adopting strategic measures. The first pattern is irregular demand. A fluctuating demand curve creates many capacity management problems for the service organizations. Demand fluctuations are undesirable that warrant a right strategy. Service firms should endeavor to influence customers and shift the demand of peak periods to slack periods. Next is falling demand. A falling demand curve is a danger signal to service firms. The reasons leading to a fall in the demand are to be identified and analyzed to take corrective actions. When a service firm notices the fall in demand, it should take corrective measures to arrest it immediately. Following this, it should devise a strategy to enable to reclaim its position. Next is demand to the level of optimum capacity. The situation when demand matches the optimum capacity of a firm is called full demand situation. Service firms that become complacent during this time risk the danger of competition or an altered marketing environment adversely affecting their performance. The demand exceeds optimum capacity is the next point we are going to study. Optimum capacity is the ideal capacity at which service firms can offer quality service to their customers. When demand exceeds capacity, the service firms have two options: stretching the capacity to accommodate maximum number of customers or rejecting the demand. In the first option, there is a likelihood of dilution of the service quality leading to customer dissatisfaction. Customer may then switch to other competitive offers. If the situation increased demand lasts for very short period, service firms can take temporary measures to stretch the service capacity. When it is likely to continue for a long period, service firms should make arrangement for capacity expansion in order to serve customers better. Thus, whenever the service firms find the demand exceeding optimum capacity, they should study the demand characteristics and take an appropriate course of action. Next is demand below the optimum capacity. This demand situation results in excess production capacity. Human resource as well as the other equipment and facilities are underutilized. The per unit production cost in service firms is higher on account of higher fixed cost. High cost coupled with low revenues may lead to either a declined profit or the incurrence of loss. Though customers may receive high quality service, full use of available facility, no waiting time, and the total attention of the employees, the absence of an adequate number of service takers may disappoint them. Next pattern is excess demand pattern. When the demand exceeds the maximum capacity of a service firm, it results in excess demand situation. The possible consequences of excess demand is that some customers will not be served, because of which the business opportunity is lost. The customers served by the firm may not receive the promised quality due to overcrowding and excessive use of human and other resources. This is all for today's session.